Hey, fellows, welcome back to Top Capable channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. Unlocking your iPhone when you can't remember your passcode. Forgetting passwords is a common occurrence, and it can be quite frustrating. When you continuously enter the wrong password, it becomes a bummer, leaving you upset. Eventually, your iPhone gets disabled, adding to the frustration. At that point, you're left feeling lost, not knowing what to do next. It's a tough situation to be in. We understand how frustrating this can be, but worry not. We've researched and compiled the most effective 3 methods to unlock your iPhone, with or without a computer. Sit back, relax, and let TC Channel be your guide to getting back into your device. Apple has introduced a remarkable feature called the Erase iPhone feature, providing a convenient way to unlock your iPhone without the need for a computer. This feature operates seamlessly, allowing you to regain access to your device effortlessly. To make use of this functionality, it's essential that your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or a newer version. Additionally, the iPhone that you want to unlock should be connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. If not, skip to our next method. Now follow these simple steps to unlock your iPhone using the Erase iPhone feature. First, keep entering random wrong passwords on your iPhone until the Security Lockout screen appears. This screen will present you with an option to Erase iPhone in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to proceed. And then, you'll see the next page showing you that this iPhone is in Security Lockout. And you can erase and reset this iPhone now. Just tap Erase iPhone again to confirm. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID. This step ensures the security of your device and prevents unauthorized access. Once you've entered your Apple ID password, tap Erase iPhone. Then the Security Lockout feature will initiate the erasing process. It's important to note that by erasing your iPhone using this feature, all data and settings will be permanently deleted. You want to have your password removed. Then you have to remove all contents and settings so your iPhone can be put back to factory settings. Then you can access your iPhone as a new iPhone and pick a new password as you like. If you find yourself in a situation where you're unable to access your iPhone due to a forgotten passcode, and there's a computer around you, try to unlock your iPhone via iTunes. It is Apple's official tutorial for resolving passcode-related issues. To begin the unlocking process, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. The operation varies from model to model. Check the link to the guide Apple provides below the video. If you're using a Mac running macOS 10.15 and later, open Finder instead of iTunes. Here we'll take iPhone 13 as an example to show you how to unlock your iPhone if you don't remember the password. First, ensure that your iPhone 13 is turned off. To do this, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears on the screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. While doing this, do not connect your iPhone to the computer. Then, it's time to put your iPhone 13 into recovery mode. With your iPhone powered off, press and hold the side button while connecting your iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable. Keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen appear. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, launch iTunes on your computer. After that, select the Restore option from the pop-up message box in iTunes. This will initiate the restoration process, which will erase all data and settings on your iPhone 13. Click the Restore and Update option to confirm it. If the 2 methods mentioned before are not suitable for you, or if you prefer a simpler and faster way to unlock your iPhone, then iPhone Unlocker is the solution you can't miss. With just a few clicks, iPhone Unlocker can help you bypass the lock screen passcode and unlock your iPhone. Even if you don't remember your Apple ID and password, this method remains viable. It is applicable to unlocking iPhones of any model and can also assist in unlocking various types of passwords, such as Touch ID, Face ID, and ScreenTime passcode. To learn more about this product and download it for free, check out the description section below the video. To begin with, download and install iPhone Unlocker on your computer, whether it's a PC or a Mac. Then launch the app and select Wipe Passcode from the main interface. Click on Start to proceed. Connect your iPhone to the computer and put it in recovery mode if the device is not recognized. To check how to activate recovery mode on your locked iPhone, click on the link provided that says, "Device is connected but not recognized." Follow the on-screen instructions. Once your iPhone is detected, confirm the device information displayed on the screen. Then, click on Start to proceed further. Now, wait for the software to download the firmware package required for the unlocking process. This may take a while. Once the download is complete, enter 0000 into the software and click on Unlock to begin the reset process on your iPhone. It may take a few minutes to complete. After the process finishes, your iPhone will automatically reboot, and you will be greeted with the welcome screen. From here, you can set up your device as a new iPhone or restore your important data from a recent backup. That's all for today's video. We introduced 3 methods to help those people who don't remember their passwords to unlock their iPhones. Whether you have a computer available or not, you can find a corresponding efficient way to do it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.